Hi everybody. So today we will be learning how to convert units of measurement. So, who here wants to be a track star in the future? Oh wow, everybody. Okay.
Woo!
So, when you're running track, they're going to make you use metric units. And the metric units is basically, so they're going to be telling you, okay, you have to run the 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter. And then because I'm from the US, I use the English system. And so that's basically miles. So I'm not used to these meters. So I want to convert meters to miles. Okay. So you might ask, how do you do it? So I'm going to hand you some charts. And so these charts basically tell you how conversions such as converting meters to feet, miles to feet, and then like inches to feet as well. Just some basic unit conversions. So in high school, I used to run the 800. So I want to convert 800 meters to miles. So if you guys look at your diagram, I don't say how many feet are, I don't say how many miles are in, or how many meters are in a mile, but I do say how many feet are in a meter. So if you look at your diagram, how many meters are, or how many feet are in a meter? Does anybody know? Yep.
There are 3.28 feet in 1 meter.
Okay, so we are going to put 1 meter on the denominator and 3.28 feet in the numerator. And we do this because we want to cross off the units. We want to cross off the meters in order to get feet. So if we do 800 by 3.28, the answer will be 2,624 feet. And then so now we want to convert feet to miles. And then so does anybody know how, if you look at your diagram, how many feet are in a mile?
I think it is 5,280.
5,280?
Yeah.
Yep, that's correct. Okay, so with this, does anybody know, sorry, what was this? This was feet. Okay. So, does anybody know where we would put the meters, where would we put the mile and where would we put the feet? In the numerator, will we put feet or will we put miles? Yes.
Miles, because you want miles.
Yep, okay, that's perfect. So, you have 1 mile, and it was 5,280 feet, correct?
Yeah.
Yep, 5,280 feet. So, we did this because we want to cross off the units again, and we want to find out the mile. So, we're going to cross off the feet. And then we're going to get the mile. So we do 2,624 divided by 5,280. And then the answer to that is around 0.497. So that means that by running the 800, I ran about half a mile. So that's quite a long distance for me at least. Okay. So now I'm going to teach you a little cheer. And then, yes, excitement. I can feel it. So the cheer is basically this diagram. It's going to be this diagram. And this diagram, it's really helpful when you're converting units in the metric system. So we have King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. The K in the king stands for kilo, H in Henry for hecto, D deca, drinking for deci, chocolate for centi, and milk for milli. So basically, the higher you are, think of this as steps. The higher you are, that's going to be the bigger the number. And the smaller or the lower you are, the smaller the number. So it's King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. Can you repeat that after me? King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. Okay, one more time.
King Henry died drinking chocolate milk.
I'm sorry. How did King Henry die?
Drinking chocolate milk.
All right. Thank you, class, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Thank you.